Grooming Vacuum and Blow Dryer, 2.5 liters, 10-in-1 pet grooming kit. Meet the all-in-one dog grooming kit that's changing how you groom at home. A 10-in-1 pet vacuum grooming solution for dogs and cats, designed to make grooming easier, cleaner, and more efficient. 10-in-1 grooming kit with 5 essential accessories: electric clipper, dematting brush, slicker brush, nozzle, and hair remove brush. 4 guide combs for versatile grooming needs. Adjustable temperature and speed. 3 temperatures: 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and 2 speed settings. Precision ceramic blades for sharp, durable cuts at up to 7,800 RPM. Powerful suction, 18 kilopascals to capture 99% of pet hair during grooming. Large 2.5-liter dust cup for longer grooming sessions without frequent emptying. Dimensions: 17.48 by 13.66 by 7.44 inches. Weight: 10.34 pounds. Keeps homes cleaner and makes grooming easier, reducing grooming costs. High quality and easy to use, especially effective for German Shepherds. Noise level varies by user. Some find it quiet, others louder. Hose length on the vacuum and blow dryer hose length may be shorter than expected. All-in-one solution saves time and space. Durable ceramic blades and powerful suction minimize mess and stress for you and your pet. Ready to upgrade your grooming routine?